Imagine waking up every day feeling completely unstoppable. Success and abundance flow into your life effortlessly, as if the universe itself is conspiring in your favor. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that the key to unlocking this reality is already within you? Yes, you heard that right. You don't need some magical potion or an ancient secret. You simply need to harness the power of your own mind. Today, we're going to go beyond the law of attraction. We're not just talking about positive thinking or motivational fluff. This is a practical guide to rewiring your brain for success and manifestation. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to have it all while others struggle, the answer lies in how they use their minds. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tap into your mind's incredible potential. Let's dive in. You've probably heard about the law of attraction, how your thoughts can attract experiences and outcomes into your life. But here's where things get interesting. We're not just talking about thinking positively and hoping for the best. This is about understanding the science behind how your mind works and how you can rewire it to manifest the life you truly desire. We're diving into groundbreaking insights from thinkers like Norman Vincent Peale, who introduced the world to the power of positive thinking. But today, we'll take it a step further, blending his principles with modern neuroscience, psychology, and quantum physics. These fields offer us practical tools to reshape our minds for success, happiness, and abundance. Whether you want to boost your career, improve your relationships, or simply find more joy in everyday life, this video will serve as your personal blueprint for manifesting success. So, are you ready to unlock the hidden potential of your mind? Let's get started. First, let's talk about how your brain works. Think of your brain as a city with thoughts zooming around like cars on highways. These highways are your neural pathways, routes that your brain's electrical signals travel on. Now, here's the mind-blowing part. Every thought you have travels down a neural pathway. The more you think a particular thought, the more frequently that pathway gets used. Over time, it becomes wider and smoother, like a well-worn road or even a superhighway. Now, imagine that you are the city planner. You get to decide which highways are built, expanded, or even closed off. Every time you focus on a thought, whether it's about success, failure, abundance, or lack, you're either building a superhighway for that thought or neglecting it entirely. This is how your mind shapes your reality. If your mental highways are all about limitation and self-doubt, guess what? That's the reality you'll experience. The good news is you can start building new highways, ones that lead to abundance, success, and joy. It's all within your control. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools in your manifestation toolbox. But here's the thing. It's not just about daydreaming. Visualization is like creating a mental movie that your brain interprets as reality. Your brain doesn't know the difference between vividly imagining something and experiencing it in real life. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine the life you want to live in exquisite detail. What does success look like for you? Picture yourself in that thriving career, surrounded by loved ones, or living in your dream home. What does the air smell like? What sounds do you hear? How does the environment make you feel? The more vivid and detailed your mental movie, the more real it becomes to your brain. For example, imagine walking into your office. Maybe it's a high-rise building with floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the city. You sit in your plush leather chair, feeling the weight of success and confidence settle in your chest. You see contracts for deals worth millions on your desk. Feel the cool touch of the pen in your hand as you sign them. This isn't just fantasy. It's laying down new neural pathways, priming your mind to seek out and create these exact experiences in your life. By practicing visualization daily, you start training your brain to make decisions, take actions, and notice opportunities that align with the life you desire. Let's move on to affirmations. Most of us have heard affirmations like, I am good enough, or I am worthy. But let's take it up a notch. We're going for affirmations that evoke power and confidence, that make you feel like the superhero version of yourself. Affirmations are more than just words. They're commands that reprogram your subconscious mind. The key is to say them with conviction and emotion. When you state something with deep belief, your brain starts to believe it too. For example, I am a money magnet, attracting wealth effortlessly. I radiate confidence and success in everything I do. Opportunities flow to me in abundance, and I am ready to seize them. Repeat these daily, preferably in front of a mirror. Feel the truth behind the words as you say them. You're not just repeating empty phrases, you're rewiring your brain to believe in your success, wealth, and abundance. Now, let's talk about gratitude. It might sound cliché, but gratitude is truly the secret sauce to manifesting the life you want. Why? Because gratitude shifts your focus. When you focus on what you have rather than what you lack, you train your mind to recognize the abundance already present in your life. Here's a powerful way to practice gratitude. Start a gratitude journal. But don't just list things. Feel them. For example, instead of just writing, I'm grateful for my morning coffee, dive deeper. Recall the warmth of the cup in your hands, the rich aroma filling your senses, the comforting taste of that first sip. When you deeply feel gratitude, you send a signal to your subconscious mind and the universe that you are living in abundance. And here's the kicker. What you focus on expands. When you focus on gratitude, the universe responds by giving you more to be grateful for. Belief alone won't get you far. Neither will action without belief. But when you combine the two, that's where magic happens. I'm not talking about wishy-washy, half-hearted belief. I'm talking about bone-deep, unshakable belief in yourself and your goals, the kind that fuels you to walk through fire to achieve what you desire. When you truly believe that success and abundance are destined for you, taking action becomes second nature. You're not just thinking about it, you're embodying it. And here's the truth. Taking action, no matter how small, builds momentum. It's like compound interest for your mind. Each small win reinforces your belief in yourself and brings you closer to your goals. Even if it's something as simple as writing one sentence for that book you've always wanted to write or researching one potential customer for your business idea, these small steps add up over time. Remember what Norman Vincent Peale said, "Action is a great restorer and builder of confidence." Inaction is not only the result but the cause of fear. Every time you take action, you're building an unshakable foundation of confidence and moving closer to your dreams. Now, let's get real. The road to success isn't always smooth. Obstacles will show up. But here's the twist. These obstacles aren't here to stop you. They're here to test you and make you stronger. It's like the universe giving you a pop quiz, asking, how badly do you want this? For example, let's say you start a business and your first product doesn't sell. The old version of you might have thought, this is a failure. But the new, empowered you will ask, what can I learn from this? How can I make my next product better? Every successful person you admire has faced setbacks. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. Imagine if she had given up after the 11th rejection. The next time you hit an obstacle, remind yourself that you're not failing, you're gathering data for your next success. In fact, obstacles are often signs that you're on the right path. If you're pushing beyond your comfort zone and trying new things, of course, you'll face challenges. It's like leveling up in a video game. The bosses get tougher, but that means you're progressing. Now let's pull back the curtain and reveal how all these pieces, visualization, affirmations, gratitude, belief, action, and resilience, come together in the grand symphony of manifestation. Think of your mind as a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds, your beliefs are the soil, and your actions are the water and sunlight. By consistently practicing these techniques, you're creating fertile ground for your dreams to grow. At first, the changes may be subtle, a boost in confidence here, a small opportunity there. But over time, these small shifts compound. You'll start noticing that opportunities, people, and circumstances align perfectly with your goals. You'll attract more success, more abundance, and more joy because your inner world is now in sync with what you desire externally. This is the essence of manifestation, aligning your energy, beliefs, and actions with the reality you want to create. Manifestation is not about magically controlling the universe. It's about aligning yourself with the abundance that's already out there, waiting for you to claim it. The process of becoming the person worthy of your dreams is where the real magic lies. Start small, but start today. Whether it's writing one page of your book, meditating on your goals, or simply expressing gratitude for what you already have, take that first step. Every journey begins with a single action, and as you walk this path, you'll see your dreams unfold. I believe in you, and I know that you have the power to create the life you desire. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep thinking those powerful thoughts, taking inspired action, and manifesting your dreams. You've got this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay unstoppable and keep unlocking the power of your mind.